Today I'm going to give you a rundown on what I think is going to happen in the next 1 to 2 years in the watch market. Hey guys, if you want to chat with me or other people in the watch community, then please join the Discord down below. It's free, it's anonymous, sign up does require an email, but I'll never see it, and let's get on with it. So we have to go back to 2007. It's the city of London, and a young Aussie expat is working at the London Stock Exchange. Things were booming, and the fashion at the time was to wear button-up shirts that had colors that were increasing in intensity and vibrancy, only paralleled by the increasing intensity and upward trend of the real estate market and every other equity. The economy and the boys in the city were doing well. There was drinks every weeknight and Greek islands every weekend. Pulling a lyric from Fergie's song Glamorous, "If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home." My personal shirt lineup included a rainbow pinstripe shirt. My excuse is I'm actually colorblind. However, 2008 came the coming of an ungodly crisis, the credit crunch, and that would take many years to get down to the bottom, 2011. But already by 2009, there was no desire and no tolerance for any kind of flamboyance. The city quickly transitioned from those gaudy shirts to white only. It was a no-nonsense take on austerity, and austerity was the word of the moment. This picture may help you understand why the Hulk, which was released in 2010, was only ever sold at a discount from ADs at the time. But the parallels are with us again. We've seen the hype cycle in full force since 2019. Demand for anything with the crown has gone through the roof. The prominence of Richard Mille and the hype train going into overdrive and perhaps jumping the shark with the Patek 5711 Tiffany dial. We saw the stock market get to unbelievable highs at a time when the world had completely shut down. But now with stagflation in full force, we're seeing people go through some real hardships right now. And very soon, if not already, there is little appetite to be wearing attention-seeking watches. I predict Richard Mille will find themselves having an ungodly reckoning, as nobody wants to put out the vibe of, I'm a clown, but I also have money. I think even the recent two-tone love may go away, with the only exception being the black and gold, more classic. Certainly things that are a little bit flamboyant, like the bluesy and the root beer. Yeah, those prices won't hold. I think all the precious metal pieces are going to be in serious trouble. My understanding is a lot of the demand for these pieces really only came from China, and they were only looking for investment purposes. The number of people trying to wear them here in USA or the West, I don't know. Precious metal has been basically soft for many generations, with the only exception being the last 12 months. So what's the safe bet? Well, it's all the black sports models. Things like the Explorer, the Submariner in black, even the black GMT. Tudor's lineup looks incredibly well positioned for the upcoming trends, I think, with models like the Black Bay Pro, the new Ranger, the BB Chrono in reverse panda, BB 58 in black. Basically, almost their entire lineup exudes an authenticity and a sort of downplayed style that will be very much the thing in the coming years. And even the Pelagos, perhaps more the black than the blue. The blue's the one that I have, unfortunately. And perhaps the black more than anything else, with its all brushed look, is really appropriate. And Tudor is a brand that has yet to stick with any pretenders. It has a perfectly understated brand image. It will never rise, say, above Rolex. It will never be in that position. And therefore it will never be a poser's watch. Anyway, that's what I think. Be careful, guys, when you're looking at anything that is a little bit playful. These are things that are likely to be really undervalued or priced down, as you would say, maybe, in the coming years. Until next time, see you around.